Hello everyone, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we're checking out the best mini cordless chainsaws that make cutting and trimming easier, faster, and more convenient. If you love gardening or need a handy tool for home projects, this one is definitely worth a look. Let's get started. The T-Talk Mini Cordless Chainsaw is built to deliver strong cutting performance in a compact size. It features an 880-watt high-power motor combined with a durable manganese steel chain. This setup allows it to cut through branches up to 6 inches thick with ease. Whether you are trimming trees, cutting firewood for camping, or cleaning up your backyard, it handles the job smoothly and efficiently. One of the biggest advantages of the T-Talk Mini Cordless Chainsaw is its cordless design. You do not have to drag around extension cords or worry about finding a power outlet. This gives you full freedom to move around your garden or yard. It also means you can manage trimming tasks on your own and save money that you might otherwise spend on professional services. Despite its powerful motor, this chainsaw is slim and lightweight. It is designed to be easy to handle for a wide range of users, including women, elderly individuals, and even those with arthritis. The ergonomic design reduces strain on your hands and arms, so you can work longer without feeling too much fatigue. It feels balanced and comfortable even during extended use. Maintenance is simple thanks to the built-in auto oiler system. With just the push of a button, the chain is automatically lubricated. This keeps the cutting process smooth and helps extend the life of the chain. One oil fill can last an entire day of work, so you do not have to carry heavy oil bottles around while working. The T-Talk Mini Cordless Chainsaw comes with a 2000 mAh removable and rechargeable battery. It provides reliable power for wood cutting, shrub pruning, and general garden maintenance. The battery also includes overload and temperature protection. These features help protect the tool and extend the overall battery lifespan, giving you dependable performance over time. Safety is clearly a priority in the design. The chainsaw includes a security lock to prevent accidental starts. There are also safety baffles that help reduce wood splashes while cutting. The anti-slip handle ensures a firm and secure grip, giving you better control and added confidence during use. The body of the T-Talk Mini Cordless Chainsaw is constructed from flame-retardant and environmentally friendly materials. It meets professional certification standards and is backed by a 365-day warranty that gives you extra peace of mind when investing in this tool. Small size, serious power. If you want a compact and reliable chainsaw for gardening, trimming, or outdoor projects, this is a fantastic option. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.